My name is Jackie Brinkley, and I am a project co-manager on the California State Library's Veterans Connect at the library, and we're hosting an employment workshop for women veterans. This is a very exciting project, one of 5 locations throughout the state that we're holding this year to bring resources to women veterans in various communities across California. It's all part of our bigger effort through California Public Libraries to reach veterans and their family members, to educate and connect veterans, their friends and family, to benefits and services they may be eligible for. So currently in about 55 public libraries throughout the state, we have veteran resource centers established in the libraries, staffed by volunteers who are often veterans themselves, trained through CalVet and supported at the local library. They engage with patrons that coming into the library to tell them about veteran benefits, and we have found it to be very successful in letting veterans and their family members know about benefits they may not have been aware of, or new benefits that have been established. And once someone's out of the military and they're not keeping up with all of the changes, it's nice to have someone in the community to be able to connect them. And that's really what we're doing in the library, is referring and connecting folks to what's already out there being served, be it the County Veteran Service Officer or CalVet and all the various resources in each community. So we're really excited to be a partner with CalVet and bringing these resources to veterans and their family members in California. If you have any questions, do go to our website, www.calibrariesforveterans.org, and or go into your public library and ask about getting veteran services in your library. Thank you very much.